I'm a big fan of self-improvement, and I believe the best way to improve yourself is to be proactive, to be intentional, and to write in your journal about your experiences. Hi, I'm Scott. I help people use journaling to improve their focus, their productivity, and their mindfulness. And today I would like to share with you 3 journaling ideas to help keep your self-improvement journey on track. So just in case you haven't gone down the self-improvement journey yet, let's talk about what it is. Self-improvement is improving your knowledge, your status, or your character. Those are really the 3 big topics of self-improvement. And of course, making improvements in these 3 areas is like a marathon. It's a lifelong journey to self-improve. So if you are new to self-improvement and you need a little help, let me know. I can help you set up some goals. We can look through the different areas that you can improve, and I would be happy to help you. So there are links in the description. Let me know and we can connect. Okay, before we get started with the journaling ideas, would you be so kind as to push the like button? Also subscribe. It really helps me out and gives me good feedback. All right, let's go. All right, journaling idea number 1 for self-improvement is to take an assessment of yourself. So what I want you to do is to write in your journal a line. Draw a line down the center. On one side, write 3 things about where you are today and that you're concerned about. And then on the right side of that line, write 3 things of where you think you'll be in 5 years regarding that same topic, so that you get kind of a gap between where you are now and where you will be in 5 years. Journaling idea number 2 for self-improvement is about your relationship status. So write down 3 relationships that are important to you. Maybe a significant other, maybe your children, maybe your mom, dad, neighbor, pastor. There's lots of relationships that we have. Write them down on the left side of the page, and then write down on the right side where you think those relationships will be in 5 years, and kind of figure that out. Where's the gap between you and now, what you have in your relationships, and where you'll be in 5 years. The last journaling idea I have for self-improvement is what I call the 3s of 3s. So you want to deal with the past, the present, and the future. So write 3 things that you're thankful for from the past. It could be as early as this morning or yesterday or even a year ago. Write 3 things that make today great. That's from the present. And then write 3 things that affirm your future. So write some affirmations about the future. And that is what I call the 3s of 3s. It's an awesome way of being mindful. It actually gives you a good sense of a peace of mind that you're doing a little bit of past, present, and future writing. And as far as self-improvement goes, it can be really encouraging. Give it a try. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. That's all I got for now. See you next time.